Do you hear this good-like voice? Yes, yes, it is me, the owner of the best channel. Important to know creating some footage as requires some bytes plugin sign the speed of the process and make this much easy. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within Coop openers, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner.